walk through a multicam edit in Final Cut Pro. I have a new Final Cut library here without a project, so I'm going to click New Project and I'm going to label it. I like to dongle over to the name views. I'm going to select my audio first, and then I'm going to select my 2 video sources, and I'm going to right click and hit New Multicam Clip. I'm going to label this. I'm going to make sure Use Audio for Synchronization is turned on and hit OK. Got a new multicam clip here, and I'm going to drag that to my timeline. This is the standard view window over here, so I'm going to go up to View and I'm going to hit Angles. It'll show the multicam clips up here. Over on the side here, this is video and audio is going to be cut when you switch between them. Over here is going to be just video, and on this one is going to be just audio. So here are my 2 clips, and my audio is on this side. If you have more clips, you can change the amount of angles here. But I'm going to switch back to 2 because I have 1 audio and 2 videos. First thing I'm going to do is select my audio, so I'm going to move my playhead all the way to the very beginning. And as you can see on my cursor is a little blade, so I'm going to click on audio, and so now all the audio is going to be coming from this recorder. I'm going to head back over to just the video source, and I'm going to be playing through the video sources here. So I know the video starts right about here. So I'm going to put my cursor head there, and I like this camera angle better, so I'm going to click on it. So that's going to make a cut right there. So as we scroll through or play through here, we're going to be able to select this location, and I wanted to switch over to this camera. And so from now on, this camera is going to be active until I select here, and I want this camera to be active. If we wanted to cut the video because we don't like a section, Command B works very well, and Command B again. And we're going to just delete that section of it, and you still have the multicam interface for the rest of it. When it comes to color correction, that's really simple. You see the 4 squares up here. We're going to tap on those. We're going to tap on the actual video we want to correct this color. This one looks a little dark, so I'm going to go over to exposure. I'm going to bring up the exposure just a little bit on the highlights. And if we go back to the actual clips here, you can tell that this exposure stays consistent. So we select that one here, we're going to change the saturation color. And so it's nice and black now, black and white kind of feel here. So if we go back to the interview, we're going to be able to tell this one's black and white and this one's color. So if we want to go back and edit some more of this clip here, we're going to go back into View, Angles, and we're going to come back over to this clip and cut it here. As you can tell, the color correction stays the same between all of them here. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to know what you're going to use this information for, and see you in the next one.